I don't give a f.
What's up guys, Sal here. So the Galaxy S21 leaks are getting out of control recently. I mean, we've seen official teaser videos getting leaked, official renders getting published, and we've even seen a review video of the Galaxy S21 Plus a full month ahead of the Unpacked event. And it seems we're just getting started as we now have live hands-on photos of the Galaxy S21 Plus in a beautiful phantom violet color option. Although it doesn't reveal anything we didn't already know about the phone, but this is by far the best look at the Galaxy S21 Plus we have so far. Also, it's the first time we're seeing this color option in real images rather than renders. Honestly, this combination of bronze and violet color didn't look good in the renders, but in real life that's not the case. It looks infinitely better in my opinion. The glass back is basically confirmed here, albeit it will be in matte finish, kinda like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the photos once again highlight some of the phone's most attractive design features such as those tiny bezels up front and that unique camera design at the back. Interestingly, the bezels actually look thicker in the official renders than here in these images, which is quite the opposite to what we usually see. I mean, phones in renders typically have the tiniest of bezels, which nowhere near matches that of the original product. But good to see that's not the case with the Galaxy S21 Plus. And here you can see the difference between the S21 Plus and its predecessor, the S20 Plus. And as you can see, Samsung has managed to shrink the bezels from all the four sides, which is impressive. That being said, we also have the official case renders of all the Galaxy S21 handsets. They reveal a couple of LED covers, clear covers, leather and protective standing covers, a silicone case and more. Interestingly, some of the cases hide the camera bump, which in turn will make the case thicker. Thankfully, there will be options. Customers will have enough case models to choose from regardless of whether they like the idea of covering the camera module or not. Also, we have a major shakeup in the chipset department. Qualcomm is no longer the top chipset provider for the smartphone industry. MediaTek surprisingly overtook them in Q3 of this year with a 31% market share, while Qualcomm's Snapdragon lineup took 29% market share. Huawei, Samsung and Apple are tied at the number 3 spot with a market share of 12%. The rise of MediaTek is attributed to strong sales of budget and mid-range smartphones in markets like India and China. Of course, with that being said, we're almost 2 weeks away from the Unpacked event. Do let me know what you think about this down in the comments. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.